Welcome back to Technology's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the name that you have in YouTube. It's very quick and simple. The first thing we are going to do is open to the upper right image and to slice of configuration or settings. Here we can see more information and press the first option, state and option of the channel. Here we can see panel of configuration and close, and in the left bar we can see personalizations. Press in and information basic, and we can see in the first option the name of the channel, and you can change in 14 days to again. It's very quick and simple, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Technologies.